Good day everyone. Today we will discuss infinite geometric series. Okay, first question. What is infinite geometric series? When we say infinite geometric series, we talk about the sum of the terms of an infinite geometric sequence. For example, we have a sequence for 1, 1/4, 1 over 16, and so on. And you wanted to find the sum of the terms of this sequence, meaning you are going to add 4 plus 1 plus third term 1/4 plus 1 over 16, following the pattern, plus 1 over 64 up to infinity. Okay, what formula are we going to use to find out the sum of these terms? Given an infinite geometric series, each sum can be obtained using the formula the sum to infinity equals to a sub 1, which is our first term, divided by the difference of 1 and the common ratio. And take note that we can only use this formula if we only have an infinite series, and the absolute value of the common ratio must be less than 1. Okay, for example, you are going to find out the sum of the given series 4, 1, 1/4, 1 over 16, and so on. Take note, before we apply the given formula, first we need to make sure that the absolute value of our common ratio R must be less than to 1. Now for our example 4, 1, 1/4, 1 over 16, first we are going to find out the value of the common ratio. It must be less than to 1. The absolute value of the common ratio must be less than to 1. So we get the value of the common ratio, and R is equal to, I will choose second number 1 divided by the number to the left of 1, 4. So R is equal to 1 over 4, or 1/4, and the absolute value of 1/4 is equal to 1/4, which is less than to 1. Therefore, we can use the formula. Sum to infinity is equal to a sub 1 over 1 minus R. So to find out the sum of the terms of this infinite geometric sequence, we use the formula and we substitute the value of the first term. The first term is 4, divided by 1 minus the common ratio 1/4. Simplifying the equation, we have the sum to infinity 4 divided by 1 minus 1/4 is equal to, we rewrite 4, then divided by 1 minus 1/4. So we get the common denominator of 1 over 1 and 1/4, and the common denominator is 4. Now 4 times 1 is equal to 4, then minus 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 1, 1. Then simplifying this, we have rewrite 4 divided by 4 minus 1 is 3, then over 4. Now again, to divide this one, we go back to multiplication, we copy the numerator, then we go back to multiplication, but we get the reciprocal of 3 over 4. And the reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3. Then we go back to multiplication. Now, we multiply 4 times 4 equals to 16, then over 1, 1 times 3 is 3. Therefore, we have 16 over 3. Now, what is this 16 over 3? This one is the sum of the given infinite geometric series 4, 1, 1/4, 1 over 16, and so on. Now, another example. Find the sum of the given infinite geometric series whose first term is 25, 5, 1, 1/5, 1 over 25, and so on. Now again, we find out the value of the common ratio, and the common ratio is equal to, I choose the third term divided by the second term, 1 over 5. Or you can also use the decimal form of 1 over 5, which is 0.2. Now, since the value of our r is 1 over 5 or 0.2, the first term is 25. Now we use the formula to find the sum of the terms on that infinite geometric sequence equals to divided by 1 minus r. Substituting the given, we have the first term 25 divided by 1. 1 is constant, minus r, common ratio is 1 over 5. Then simplifying, we have 25 over, so 1, we write 1 as 5 over 5 since our subtrahend is 1/5, so we choose the common denominator 5. So 5 over 5 minus 1/5 equals to 25 over 5 minus 1 over 5 equals to, again, 25 divided by 5 minus 1 is 4 over 5. Then again, we divide 25 by 4 over 5. 25 divided by 4 over 5 is equal to 25. We go back to multiplication, but we get the reciprocal of 4 over 5. And the reciprocal of 4 over 5 is 5 over 4. Then we multiply. 25 times 5 is equal to 125. Then over 1, 1 times 4 is 4. So therefore the answer is 125 over 4. Or you can also write the decimal form of 125 over 4, which is 31.25. Therefore, the sum of the terms on the sequence 25, infinite geometric sequence 25, 5, 1, 1/5, 1 over 25 up to infinity is, or this one, when you write it in mathematical form, the answer is 125 over 4, 31.25. This one, decimal and fraction are the same. Now you practice finding the sum of the terms of this given infinite geometric sequence, number 1 and number 2.